Welcome to this quick demo of FlexiViral, the viral lead generation app that helps you create and launch high converting referral campaigns in just minutes. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to create a viral lead generation campaign for a local gym, step by step from setup to live tracking. After logging into your FlexiViral dashboard, you will see an overview of all your campaigns, include leads collected, rewards created, and the recent campaigns. Now go to My Contest and click on Create New Contest to begin setting up a new lead generation campaign. Let's create a new campaign called Refer and Win Fit for Less Viral Challenge. Set your goals as lead generation since we want to collect leads and grow gyms members list through referrals. FlexiViral's step-by-step wizard makes the process quick and easy even for the beginners. In step 1, let's customize the campaign page, set your gym logo, the colors and the sign up CTA and the catchy headline and the description like invite your friends and get rewarded, join the Fit for Less viral challenge. Now click on the save button to go to the next step where you can add viral share entry for the campaign. Here each participant will receive a unique referral link that they can share with their friends. Simply add a title and assign entry points and hit the save button. To move on to the next step, which is step 3, where you will set up your price settings. Here, enter minimum points required to unlock a price and then select the price from the drop down, pulling it directly from your price library. Now, let's take a quick look at how to add a new price in the library. Go to the price reward library from the top menu and click on create new price/reward. You will see multiple options for creating different prices types such as instructions, external URL, video, audio, and hosted file. You can choose any of these type based on your campaign needs. For example, since our campaign is for a gym, I have created all the instruction type, prices, and rewards. Once this is done, let's heads up to the step 3 price setup. Assign the prices we just created and click on the save button. To go to the next step, step 4. So here you will configure rewards and badge settings. So here enter the points required for the participants to unlock this each reward. Just like price setup, you can assign rewards directly from the library. You can also upload custom badges to make the campaign more engaging. As members reach the required points, they will automatically unlock rewards and earn badges, keeping them motivated to share more. Now, click on the next button To move to step 5, where you will find campaign publish settings. So here you can access the public URL of your campaign. You can also get the embed code to place it in the website or landing pages, as well as the widget settings if you want to display it as a sidebar. Once everything is set, click on the preview icon to see your campaign live, just like your participants will experience it. FlexiViral automatically track referrals and unlock rewards when participants reach each milestone. Now let's automate your communication under email settings. Customize your welcome message. So here you can customize your registration email message when the participant signs up. So FlexiViral send all messages automatically using your connected SMTP account. So to make things more engaging, the leaderboard feature helps displays the top referrals real time, motivating the participant to share more and climb the ranks. You can track every referral sign up and conversion directly in your dashboard. Your campaign link is live now. You can share it via email, social media, or WhatsApp. As people join and refer others, you will see real time data on the leaderboards, top participants, and overall performance. And that's it. You have just created a viral lead generation campaign for a gym using FlexiViral. It's simple, fast, and completely automated, helping you collect quality leads and grow your business without spending on ads. Thanks for watching the demo. Log into your FlexiViral and start creating your own viral lead generation campaign.